Hello and welcome back to MiMaSheeTV. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig. So this is just the frontal. I'm going to start by first bleaching the knots on the frontal. To bleach the knots, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach along with some 40 volume developer. So now I'm just gonna mix and mix and mix until I get the consistency that I want.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
And as I'm mixing, I'm adding some more powder or more developer just so I could get the consistency that I want. I'm going for more of a creamy consistency, much like how it is now. Not a paste, but more like a cream. Using the Got To Be Free spray, I'm gonna just spray that all over the frontal, and what this does is that it kind of puts like a barrier over the baby hairs so that when the bleach leaks through the lace, it doesn't bleach the baby hairs. Now I'm just going to lightly apply the bleach, not trying to push it too far into the lace so it doesn't cause any blonde spots. But because I made my consistency a little bit more liquidy, it will fall through the lace and bleach the knots. When I'm done applying the bleach, I like to flip the frontal over and lay it against the aluminum foil. I just feel like it keeps the bleach from seeping too far down the hair strand, and it helps it process faster.
You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
So then I washed out the bleach, and look at that. Frontal is giving you scalp. And then I went ahead and toned it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo and washed it out. And now for the fun part. We're gonna start sewing down the wig. First, I'm gonna lay down the frontal and pull it just a little bit below the dome cap. And I'm just gonna pin it down. Then I'm gonna line up the end of the frontal with the end of the dome cap and pin it down.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. You see here, kid?
This little pouch right here is okay. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to look after you pin down the frontal. Now I'm gonna begin sewing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not that good at sewing, but I did tie a knot at the end of the string and I'm just gonna pull it through. For the next couple of stitches, I'm going to pull the needle through the string. So I'm going to poke it through and then put it through the two strings, and this creates a knot.
jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Alright, starting off with the longest bundle, I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten it out and pin it down. And now I'm just gonna start sewing down the bundle. I'm going under the weft and bringing the needle through the string like I did for the frontal. So I know you see the white tracks that I put on there to kind of guide me on where I should lay down the wefts, but to be quite honest, I didn't really use those white markings. I messed up. It was just too confusing, so I just decided to freehand it. Alright, one bundle down, 2 more to go. So this is what it's looking like after one full bundle is sewn down. Shout out to the Chick-fil-A bottle in the background. Okay, you guys get it. You guys see how I sewed it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details. Skip to 11 minutes to see the sort of end results.
here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. See here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about
See
what
it?
comes after or what came before.
I have
You just
this
gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath.
big patch right here. Is that showing on camera? Yeah. I got this big patch right here.
Well, what if you don't?
So I have some leftover hair. I'm gonna go ahead and just fix this area up. I don't know what happened here. I just probably sewed it wrong. I really don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna add like a strip of hair here. I think it's a 24 inch that I have. I have a really long 24 inch piece right here. The wig is finally done. Okay, it's done. Oops. Okay, ooh, it's thick. She thick though. She thick. All right. Let me see if I could get this in the frame. Cause she real thick. Here I had to cut off that little piece of dome cap so that the frontal would show through. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig so you guys can see what it looks like on my head. This is the inside of it. Okay, these are the guts. That's the sewing job I did. It looks big, like even on camera I'm pretty sure it looks huge. But it fits like a glove, like it fits. So this is what it looks like on my head. It fits perfectly on the head, but she is thick, y'all. Like she is thick. Like I thought I was gonna need 4 bundles, but I think 3 bundles is enough. And I'm gonna get y'all to see the length because I know you probably can't see it. This is the wig after about 2 days. It's looking good. I added some water and some mousse to it, so that's why it's laying down a little bit flatter. So I think I like it better when it's dry and it's like, you know, in your face. But this is nice too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment and like the video. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.